Would you like to enrich your tiring lesson slides with more engaging, interactive, and educational activities for your students? In this video, let's see how you can add the activities you create on EdventoNet to your own lesson slides. First, go to the EdventoNet website and choose an activity type from the Activities page that matches your topic. Then, enter your topic's learning outcomes into the website's AI assistant and ask for a ready-to-use CSV file for the task. Upload the CSV file you receive to the Import section on EdventoNet. Choose an interesting background image for your activity and save the task. Then, download the task's QR code as an image and add it to your lesson slide. You can repeat these steps for as many activities as you want. In this way, your students will not just look at the slides, they will actively participate in the lesson by completing tasks related to the topic. Remember, students learn more deeply when they think about the topic, make mistakes, search for answers, and complete meaningful tasks. With EdventoNet, turn your lesson slides from simple presentations into interactive learning experiences.